In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you the basics of creating a PowerPoint presentation integrating text and background formatting, hyperlinks, and clip art. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint. For each slide, you can decide which layout you would like to use by clicking on the Layout button at the top of the screen. Since this is our first slide, let's use the title slide. In order to add multiple slides to your PowerPoint presentation, move your mouse over to the left-hand side bar, right-click, and hit New Slide. Let's go ahead and add 5 slides. That way we've got a variety of different slides we can work with. And then let's go ahead and change a different layout on each one of the slides. As you can see, there are a variety of different layouts. Some have just a title, some have a content with caption. Content is referring to a chart or a graph, an Excel spreadsheet, or clip art. Some are completely blank, some have pictures with caption, and others are simply a section header. In order to format your background, go up to the top of the screen and click on the Design tab. As you can see, there are a variety of different designs or themes that have been created for you already. If you simply just place your cursor and click on them, they'll go ahead and apply it to all of the different screens, and you can get an idea of what they would look like. As you can see, each theme has a different layout depending on the type of slide you have chosen. Okay, go ahead and decide which theme you would like to use. Okay, let's move on to discussing fonts. Now, each one of the themes comes with predetermined fonts, but if for some reason you decide you don't like those, it's very easy to change them. First, all you have to do is simply click into the title box and begin typing whatever you would like your wording to say. Okay, if you choose to keep that font, you can go ahead and move on and click into the next title box. However, if you decide you don't like that font, it's very easy to change it. Simply highlight the font, right-click, and go up and click the Font button. Now in this box there are a variety of different options that you have. The first option is the font style itself. You'll scroll down to a list of font options that are offered on your computer, and you may choose from any one of those. The next box is the font style. That refers to italics and bold. The next box is the font size. Below that you have the font color, the underline style, and the underline color if you choose to have that. At the bottom you have a variety of different effects. These include having letters be all capitalized, small capitalized, strike through, or double strike through. Up at the top, if you click on character spacing, you also have some other options. Character spacing deals with the number of spaces that are in between each letter. So if you would like to expand it and have it be very spread out, you can click expanded, and then you can determine by how much you want to expand the letters by. So here you can see that we just expanded the font and changed the font a little bit. Alright, now we're going to move on and discuss hyperlinks and clip art. Let's begin with clip art. If you'll go ahead and scroll to any of your other slides, and take a look at one of your slides that has a picture that looks like this in the center. PowerPoint makes it incredibly easy to insert clip art. It is as easy as highlighting the icon that looks like pictures and clicking on it. If you're not sure if you forget how to do that, another very easy way is to go up to the top, click Insert, and you'll see up at the top there is a wide variety of different items that you can insert. Okay, we're going to try clip art for now, so we'll click on clip art. All we need to do is search for whatever the keyword of our clip art is. Let's try and look for a computer. Alright, as you can see, we have a wide variety of choices. It is as easy as clicking insert, and there we go. You have the option of making the clip art bigger or smaller, and again, as we talked about with the text, if you would like to add text, you just double click there and you're able to add the text. Our next task is to discuss how to insert a hyperlink into your PowerPoint presentation. Let's go ahead and move on to another slide. The reason you would want to incorporate a hyperlink as you're showing the PowerPoint presentation or somebody is viewing your PowerPoint presentation, it's a nice feature for them to be able to look at extra resources or other people's ideas, and for them to be able to click on a link and go onto the internet. Okay, here's what we're going to do to add a hyperlink. We have already clicked insert from using our clip art, and all we need to do is go over and click insert hyperlink. Okay, since we're going to be hyperlinking to a web page, we're going to make sure that this button is clicked down. And up at the top where it says text to display, you're going to type in what you want your viewers to be able to see. Then down at the bottom you will type in the actual web address that when the viewers click on it, they will go to. You simply click OK, and as you can see, it is a hyperlink that you will click on. Now you won't be able to click on it right now, but once you view the PowerPoint in presentation mode, the viewer will be able to click on that link. Okay, we have now discussed being able to click design up at the top and take a look at the wide variety of themes and backgrounds that are available. We have also discussed being able to highlight, right-click, and format your text. We have talked about being able to click the Insert tab and inserting clip art, and also under the Insert tab, inserting a hyperlink.